Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. So today, obviously, we're doing a client makeup tutorial, and you already know what I'm doing. I'm putting powder on the brows to eliminate any oils that may be present on the brow. And then when I'm using my brow pencil, it allows it to glide better and last a little bit longer than if I wouldn't have put powder. Lately, I've been loving these Benefit brow pencils. Like, they are so smooth and the color payoff is amazing and they're just absolutely perfect. I think they're worth the money that they are. You might see my head pop in and out occasionally in this video, and I'm sorry, but I wasn't paying attention to the camera angles, but you can still very much see the work, so I thought it was fine. But next, I'm going in with actually a paintbrush, and I got this from Michaels, and if I can find the same one, I'll link it in the description box below. But if not, I will let you all know that these are filbert brushes, and you can get these from your local craft stores. You can even get them from Amazon, and they're good for cutting creases and also shaping the brow if you want something really crisp, sharp, and precise. As always, I'll be dragging down the color that I use from the brow, and I'll be applying that on the lid just to create a base for the eyeshadow. And then I'll also be outlining the top of the brow with the same concealer I use for the bottom. For shadow, I'll be going in with Juvia's Place, and I'm going in with this light brown shade just for the transition, and I'm starting in front of her brow just because I tried that new technique in the last video and I absolutely loved it. So I said, let me try it on this client to see if I get the same outcome. Now right here, I did not know what I wanted to do. I didn't know if I wanted to do something that will make her eyes look smaller. I didn't know if I wanted something that would open up her eyes a little bit more. I was confused. I was just doing stuff right here, and I was like, do I want to do like a smaller cut crease? Then I said, no, I'm going to just go big or go home. So we didn't do an extreme cut crease, but we did like an imitation cut crease kind of thing like I did in the last one. But this one was, I feel like, a little bit softer than the last one. But yeah, that's what we did. So we also added a pop of green to her inner corner. Well, I did. I didn't even ask her if she wanted this. I said, lime green would look so cute. So that's what I added. And then, of course, I'm deepening up the outer portion of the eye just because I love the way it looks. And I did go ahead and add some shimmer pigment on top as well. And I thought that that addition was so pretty to the eye. So pretty. For liner, I'm not going to be doing a wing. I'm going to stop right at the outer portion of her eye. But I am going to slant it a little bit just because I like the way that the eye looks when I do a slanted eyeliner. So right now I'm just wiping out any fallout with a makeup remover wipe, and then next I'll be going in with a moisturizer just to prep her skin, and then we'll also be going in with a makeup primer. For foundation, I went in with Lancôme. I know I used the shade 510, and I can't remember the shade that I used after that to lighten it up a little bit, but I know for sure I used the shade 510. I did end up placing her highlight while the camera was off, but here you can see me contouring, and I'm actually using that same brush that I used for the brows just because I like the tip of the brush. It's very precise so you don't put too much product onto the face. And then I am just blending that contour out first, and then I'll be going in and blending the highlight. So right here, I'm just setting her contour, and I'm using the Black Radiance Contour Palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm just setting that with my angled blush brush from Wet n Wild. For her under eye and also the other areas that I did conceal, I'm going to be pressing the powder in first, and then I'll be going in with extra powder to bake a little bit. For lips, we decided to do, well, I decided because I picked the look for this video, but I decided to do a dark liner and then just a NYX Butter Gloss, a nude gloss on top. So here I'm just bronzing and applying blush to her face as well. Both of them are from Juvia's Place. I'll link them in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. And this time I actually used an orange blush and I absolutely loved it. And so now I'm going in with the gel liner and I'm just lining her waterline. And for mascara, I'm going to be using an interdental brush, and I'm going to be applying mascara to that brush, and then I'll be applying it to the lashes. And y'all, these brushes catch every little baby lash there is, and I absolutely love it for bottom lashes, and that's why I use them. So to add a little bit more color to the look, I'm just going to be taking that same green we used on her inner corner, and I'm going to be applying that to her bottom lash line. So I just went ahead and sprayed her face, and then I'm going to be applying a little bit of highlight to the nose, and then the look is finished, you guys. So thank you all for watching, and that is it. That is all, and we are out.